Roar into fun with LEGO Creator Mighty Dinosaurs. Hey kiddos! Imagine turning your living room into dino territory. With the LEGO Creator Mighty Dinosaur set, you're the boss. Build a fearsome T-Rex, a strong Triceratops, or a flying pterodactyl, all from one awesome kit. The only limit? Your imagination. Let's start the adventure. This 3-in-1 set is pure dynamite. Create a towering T-Rex with snapping jaws, huge claws, and bright orange eyes. Want to change? Rebuild it into a horned Triceratops or a soaring pterodactyl. It's endless fun with just one toy build, rebuild, and let the dinos play. These dinos don't just look cool, they move too. Pose the T-Rex's legs, tail, and snapping head for action-packed storytelling. Open its mouth to reveal razor-sharp teeth. Even cooler? You can build a mini prey rib cage for a complete adventure. You'll feel like a real dino expert. Designed for kids aged 7, 12, this set is the ultimate gift for dinosaur fans and creative minds. With 174 pieces, it's not too tricky, but oh so satisfying to build. Whether it's Christmas, a birthday, or just a weekend treat, this LEGO set guarantees smiles. Why wait when fun is just a click away? Now and grab yours before it roars out of stock. Build it, play with it, and dive into the coolest adventure ever. Don't let the dinos escape. Your Jurassic journey starts today. Scan the QR code to order. Amazon.com